Hello dear friends, I want to show you my new product, the EnvioNode. It has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capability, a high-resolution IPS display, 24 GHz human presence sensor, CO2 and air quality detection module, among many other sensors and features which you can find the detailed information about in the description below the video and on the Kickstarter campaign page. You can use it as a standalone device or connect it wirelessly to your home network. Use it in any room of your house or take it with you to your office or workshop. It has a USB Type-C connection and wireless charging. By uploading different codes, you can enhance its functionalities, which will all be shared via GitHub, and you are welcome to use, edit, and even share your own application for the device. The input is done via 3 touch sensors that are located on the top and on the back of the device. The built-in LED can have different brightness levels and effects or be used as an SOS distress signal for emergency situations. The LED can also be used in combination with the human radar sensor to illuminate any room upon entry or use it as a portable alarm device. It does have a digital microphone and a speaker that will allow you to listen to web radio stations, use it as a talking clock, or control your home with your voice. The EnvioNode has a 3D motion sensor that allows it to sense any movement of the device that you could use to interact with it or to add features to your code. Turning on the LED by simply tilting the device or have the display rotate from portrait to landscape automatically. There is also an ambient light sensor, so the display can adjust its brightness to its surroundings or have the radar sensor only work when it's dark, for example. As you can see, this device can be anything you want and is only limited by your imagination. Please do help me bring this project to life by supporting me in my Kickstarter campaign. Thank you very much.